In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pepperstone MT5. By the end, you'll feel confident logging in, navigating the platform, placing trades, and managing risk like a pro. First, let's get you logged in. Open MetaTrader 5, then go to File and select Login to Trade Account. Enter your account number as the login, your password, and choose the correct server provided by your broker. Click Login. In the bottom right corner, check the connection status. When it's green and updating, you're connected. You should also see your account balance displayed, confirming everything is synced. Now a quick tour of the interface. On the left, Market Watch lists instruments like currency pairs, gold, and indices. The center is your chart window, where you'll analyze price movement. At the bottom, the toolbox shows your open trades, account details, and history. The Navigator, also on the left, holds your accounts, indicators, and expert advisors. This layout is your main trading workspace. To open and customize a chart, right-click any symbol in MarketWatch and choose Chart Window. Set the time frame from the toolbar, M1 and M5 for short-term, H1 or D1 for broader views. Switch the chart to candlestick for clearer price action. For analysis, go to Insert, then Indicators, and add tools like Moving Average, RSI, or MACD. Keep your charts clean so signals are easy to read. When you're ready to place a market order, click New Order on the top toolbar. Choose your symbol, set your volume or lot size, and if you wish, add a stop loss and take profit before entry. Then click Buy by Market or Sell by Market. The trade immediately appears in the toolbox under the Trade tab. Be mindful of lot size and the spread, as they affect risk and execution. For faster entries, enable one-click trading via Tools, Options, Trade, then tick one-click trading. You'll see a small panel on the chart to buy or sell instantly. Great for quick strategies, but use it carefully to avoid accidental clicks. To set or adjust stop loss and take profit, you can add them in the order window before entry or after the trade is open by right-clicking the position and selecting Modify. You can also drag the SL and TP lines directly on the chart. Always use a stop loss to manage risk. To modify or close trades, right-click the position and choose Modify or Delete. To close, click the X in the toolbox or double-click the trade and confirm. You can partially close by reducing the volume in the close ticket. Prefer planned entries? Use pending orders. Buy limit, buy stop, and sell stop, depending on whether you expect price to reverse from a level or break through it. Finally, review your results in the toolbox under the History tab. You'll see profit or loss, deposits and withdrawals, and a full trade record. Use this to refine your approach. Practice on a demo if you're new, stay disciplined with risk, and you'll get comfortable fast.